Chidinma Ojuku, the killer of the Super TV CEO, whether they call him Mr. Ataga, don't come outside with another story again about this whole matter. This one, I don't they turn Nigerian film. We don't hear part 1. Now another part don't come outside. This girl will be said that time she come outside talk say this man won't try forcefully rape her. Now there she come run Nollywood film now enter kitchen go carry knife stab the man. As he be now she don't talk another story. Say she tie the man hand. Now there she can't carry knife. I know they even understand this whole matter. And as we gather her for the interview, she talk say, now the man friend now even introduce her to this whole thing. Say after she killed the man, now there she can't carry the man property, run come out. And I sure say this thing don't even pass like this because this whole matter. Today she go talk this one. Tomorrow she don't talk another one. How we won't even believe this girl never dey consistent. My people, I beg, make now follow me watch.
We met ourselves at an outing. That is how we met. That was the first day we met. Okay. That was the first time we slept together. The person that introduced me to him was his friend, who is my is a boyfriend to a friend of mine. Then.
So in your whole heart, your whole mind, your whole thought, you felt you weren't going to be caught after you had killed him and left the place?
I don't know, but something in me told me that they will come to me, but I wanted to steal from him, but it was not allowing me to, so we got into a fight, and that was when I stabbed him. I tied his hands, so that at that time he was sleeping. I tied his hands so that by the time he wakes up, he'll be able to give me what I want, and I'll go. We were fighting. My hands, the knife was at the back. I was leaning at the cabinet. That was when I stabbed him. On the neck.
How many stabs?
And I don't hear Abi. Say she tied the man hand when the man they sleep. And she come want ask am for money so that if the man no gree ask her, she go come do wetin dey her mind. Say later say the man come start to dey fight her. And as she dey talk this thing, you sure say you no even dey high for that place where you sit down. You sure say somebody never inject you with something because the thing way they talk say e no dey even make sense. Say you tie the man hand, he can't dey fight you. You can't go lean on top of cabinet. I know they even be an Indian film. This girl think say she dey act. She don't forget say she dey inside prison. Now there she can't carry knife. How be say magically person where you tie can't begin they fight you? Now there you suppose reason say this your story here, no pure at all. You know pure. Now you see talk say the man try to strangle you. Only you. Different story every day. Chidinma, this your story. I know even come to be an person help you write and say make you come as a second they act them. Because you yourself, you know all the thing where they talk self, you know even they legit. Say you don't want to go school because of your business, you want online schooling. You even get high taste. You don't even stay for where you want to stay. But this time where they don't care, only you. Stick to one word, make we know okay. We won't take you for this one. No, they come out today, they go interview you, go talk another one. Tomorrow they interview you, go talk another different one. I beg who won't believe you. Even if lawyer come outside now saying one constant for you, which story the lawyer won't use? I know this young generation, sweet mouth, because of what you no get. Patience they no get. Everything they want use they make money by force. Girl we suppose they school, she go they follow sugar daddy where people they manage. One by one where girls just they manage and for the side. You can't decide say in money where they give you no reach you. In fact, if say you even follow and talk on a JJ level, I sure say this man if even just carry out this money give you. And I see why they go they make person marry where they way in like. If say this man in like as in they smoke, in they drink. If say marry him fellow way like that, all this wahala no go happen. You go decide say won't go marry sister in Techi. Where be say holy. Later your eye go there outside, they follow girls where be say they smoke, they do things. Later you come they complain say your wife no dey this one, your wife no dey down. Make na eye they one play because nowadays small girls wey dey na how to end people life. If you no fit give them wetin they want, sharp, they don't kill you to lay you for one side. And I feel say other people they involved. Make this girl come outside talk too. Because only this girl, I'm not sure say she go get power. Fake kill this man, stab him just like that. When be say nothing happen. I sure say other people they involved inside this matter. And they never even do this research well. The worst of it, now all these interviewers wey go dey interview people. Now go dey ask mumu question. When you go dey ask am, wetin she even use abeg? Wetin she use take tie this man wey be say at all this man no fit release himself. Na iron she use take tie the man for hand. Because I no know as this man wan take do am. Abi the man sef him don feel am say na 50 shades of grey dem wan come do, dem wan come perform magic on top of him waist. Na him make am sef come sit down there dey tie am, him dey enjoy the whole thing. Dem come even dey ask you say make you advise young girls. In fact, na that one burst my mind pass. Make she sit down dey advise young girls say wetin? Motivational speaker be wetin she be. Wetin she wan dey tell us say make we no keep us. All these our interviewers, una suppose dey reason wetin I dey ask people. Una go carry criminal, ask them better question. Question wey be say if police even get there, their work go easy, na no go ask. The mumu one, as na network be, na so una go dey ask all this kind mumu question. My people, abeg, I hear this one. I come make I bring am come una side, make una service na ear. Hear wetin dey happen. Anything wey una feel, make una no forget to write am for the comment section. Make una no forget to like and also share this video. I go see you for our next video.